Hello guys, welcome and Crossio to another video. I hope you really like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload. And just a quick little blurb just before we get into the video is I do have an Etsy shop where I sell my press-on nails. I would really love for you to check it out and show your support. And yeah, enough rambling, let's just get straight into the video, guys. So I've already got my tips on and prepped them, and I am just going in with the first colour we got from this month's gel box, which is that really nice, it's a nude colour, and it does have like a very, I'd say, slight like dusky rose undertone to it. It's very, very subtle but very, very pretty. And so I got a hair in my nail, so I had to wipe it off, and another one, and I think that's coming out of the bottle, believe it or not. So yeah, I'm putting that on the two fingers there, the pinky and the first finger, and I'm also putting it on the thumb. Again, there seems to be little bits of hair in it, and I don't know if that is coming from me because I do have a cat and a dog, or if it's in the bottle, I don't know. So we are now going in with the next colour that we got, was this beautiful brown colour, and I'm putting it on the remaining two nails. And I see I've got a tiny bit on my skin there, so I just wipe that off before I cure it. Now I'm going over that nail with some clear base coat so I can put the glitter on top that we also got from this month's gel box. I'm just getting out my little handy dandy, I call it glitter catcher. I don't know what it is, but it catches the glitter anyway, so you can put it back in the bottle. And as you can see, I'm giving that a good liberal dosing over the entire nail, and then I cure it and give it a little bit of a brush to get off any glitter that like didn't stick properly, or any glitter that is loose, and just a light brush will get off any of them bits. Right, there we go. I don't know why that took so long to do, but it did. And I put a second coat on all the other nails as well, as you can see I'm doing here. So that colour is really nice and saturated on the nail. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to be swapping hands because I am doing my offhand, so I am doing this khaki-handed. And I am just doing a very simple sweater nail design on the nail. So I'm starting off with like these little zigzaggy lines, and they are going up the center of the nail. I didn't like the way that it was looking, so I rubbed that second one off, and we are redoing it. As I said, because I'm right-handed, my left hand shakes a lot, so I do have to take a little bit more time when I'm trying to do stuff like this, because yeah, my hand shakes a lot, and it can make it challenging, but if I want my opposite hand to be nicely decorated, then we've got to persevere with it. And you can see I'm just slowly making my way up. And then, because I'm doing this voiceover afterwards, no, I haven't gone past it. So before I cure it, I am just going over the top of that with some clear acrylic powder, as you can see, for it to soak in. Then I cure it with that clear acrylic powder over the top of it and then brush off the excess. And you can see here the kind of look that it gave to it. But now I'm moving on to the next set of nails, and I am just doing a simple French tip in another colour that we got in this box. And I believe I used 3 of the 4 colours. The only colour that I didn't use was a grey. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a beautiful colour grey. I love it. I just didn't think that it would... I couldn't find a way to incorporate it into this design and, you know, make it look like that colour was to be a part of the design. So I just work on doing the curved line first, and then once I've got that looking nice, I fill it in the rest of the way. Yeah, like I said off camera, I'm just checking that I have got the sides properly. And I'm doing just the exact same thing on the other nails. I do the line roughly first, and then I can go in and, you know, tidy things up. Now I am back, and here is the finished design. It is simple, but I think it came out really nice, and I think the brown and the red really complement each other. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. If there are any type of videos you'd like me to make, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye!